Hi, Merry Christmas everybody. It's Miss Deb. So today we have a little snowman ornament that I'm going to show you how to make, and we have kits here at the library, and if you would like to make one, just have Mom or Dad call the library and we will put a kit aside and they can pick it up curbside. Isn't he cute? Alright, I'm going to put him right there. So the first thing I did was take the little top off the snowman, off the little ball, and then we've got some cotton and we just kind of stick it in there. I'm going to put a little popsicle stick in there to kind of help you stuff it in if you need a little help. And we just keep pulling the cotton balls apart. We'll give you some cotton balls and you can stuff it in until you think it's full enough, however full you want to make it. And then, all right, I'll just put a little bit more in and we'll see how this looks. Whoops. Don't try to stuff too much in all at once. It doesn't work so good. So that kind of makes the snowman's white body. So we'll put that in. And one more. Okay. All right. So then the tricky part is trying to put this little thing back in. You got to squeeze it together and then pop it back in like that. And if you have any trouble, ask Mom or Dad to help you because I'm sure they could help. And then we're going to take the pipe cleaner and the two pom-poms and we're going to make his earmuffs. So I'm going to use glue dots. You could use a glue stick, or if you have Elmer's glue at home, you could also use the Elmer's glue. So where are my dots? Here they are. So I'm going to put a glue dot on the end of each end of the pipe cleaner. Get another one. And they're kind of sticky, so be careful with that. They kind of want to stick to you. So then I'm going to take my ornament and I'm going to stick one on either side. There, like that. Then I'm going to take these two pom-poms and I'm going to put a glue dot on the pom-pom or a little dab of glue or glue stick, whatever works for you. Put it right on the end there. Do another one. And put it right over there. So there's his earmuffs. And then I'm going to take a black magic marker and I'm going to draw two big round eyes for his big snowman eyes. And I'm going to draw a big smile because he's a happy snowman. So I'm going to draw a big smile for his mouth. And then we have these cute little felt triangle shapes for his carrot nose. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue from the glue stick right on the back of that triangle. And then I'm going to stick it right in the middle of his face. And there you go. And there you have a little snowman you can hang on your tree. So if you want one, give us a call and we'll put a kit aside for you. And we hope you have a very nice Christmas. Thanks.